Welcome back to SK Hobbies AZ, and I am Stitch. And on this episode, do friends really like RCs as much as I do? I think my friends do. So you're going to want to stay tuned for this. All right, well, welcome back. So I have a lot of friends that are not involved in the RC community, but they do follow my channel, and I want to thank all you guys, especially you, Paul. This video is dedicated to you. My buddy Paul decided he wanted to get into RC, and so his dad happened to have this RC in the garage that he wasn't using, which I think it was like his only RC that he had. He bought it on a whim for like probably grandkids or whatnot. And so he gave it to Paul, and Paul brings it to me, and I look at it, and let me show you what he brought me. So he brought me a Rustler. It's a Traxxas Rustler, and it's the 2-wheel drive, and he couldn't charge the batteries in it. And so he gave it to me and said, hey, can you fix this thing for me? And yes, I did fix it, because what I got going for him is this. I fixed it by getting him an ARRMA Big Rock. So I did pick this guy up used, and I'm going to probably be going through that and getting that completely cleaned up. It should run. I just need to get it cleaned up, and I'm going to put that up for sale to kind of recoup some of my cost for picking up this Big Rock for him. But the guy that owned this Big Rock, if you're watching, I want to thank you for this. You're going to make my buddy Paul very happy with this new RC. New to him RC. It's pretty much stock. I mean, other than the fact on the body here, it looks like he put one of the, probably from a Traxxas Max, he put the little slide guard on the top to kind of protect the roof. Underneath, we've got stock Big Rock electronics. It looks like he probably upgraded the servo to, looks like a 20 kg servo. So it seems like it works pretty good, and it's running. Got a 3S battery in there for him. Just waiting on a charger to come in, and then we'll go ahead and get this over to my buddy. I did notice that it looks like there is some upgraded aluminum steering linkage. Now, let me know in the comments if you guys have seen this before in an ARRMA, but I don't know if that's an upgraded part that somebody added or if it came, because I know my other 3S lines had plastic steering linkage up there in the front. So we'll go with what you guys say in the comments. But when I did get this, it did not come with a controller and a receiver. So I went ahead and I have the Red Cat controller, the 2.4 gigahertz model that came with the Kaiju that I'm not using. So I put the receiver in the box here, got it hooked up, and it's looked like it's ready to go. You guys want to hear her run real quick? All right, we got the battery connected up. Let's turn her on. But yep, I think it's going to be good enough for my buddy. But all right, let me bring you guys back up. All right. I hope you enjoy this, Paul. I did this video specially for you. Anybody else out there watching it that enjoys ARRMA Big Rock, and enjoys replacing Traxxas with ARRMA, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bash that bell. I am Stitch, SK Hobbies AZ, and I'm out.